flood starts to overflow. Let's reinforce the riverbank. Fill the bag with sand to make a sandbag. Pile up sandbags to prevent flood from coming ashore. Riverbank reinforcement is complete. The flood will no longer submerge riverbank.